Okay. Power's up. Is it actually spinning the motor up there? Watch.
It's smoking.
Yeah, because that battery's so toast. Oh, fuck. I pulled the key too far. Okay, Carson. Hit the key. Go.
I did.
Crank it.
I am cranking it.
To start, smart guy. It's running off the spray. Give it a little throttle. Hit the gas pedal. Rev it up. Hit it. All right, it's stalled out. Yeah, so the fuel pump's dead.
Well, at least we started it.
Hey, it runs. It just needs a fuel pump.
Let's get the fuel pump.
You want to put a fuel pump in this? You know you have to drop the gas tank to do it, right? It only takes 20 minutes, though, but we can't do it today. You want to start it again for fun?
Yeah.
Hit the key. Don't rev it because you'll stall it.
I am revving itself.
Okay, hit it again.
I think the pedal's broken.
No, the pedal's fine. You don't need to hit the pedal anymore. Hey, Carson, it runs. Just need the fuel pump. Was that some redneckery, kid? What are you doing? You find a quarter in there?
1999.
1999?
Take it.
You were negative 11 years old. Yep, tell you what.